through my do you know, like, you get the nose rings? I've got one of those, and I put a lock through it, messing around with my friends, and it's got caught.
You got one fitted, sorry, did you say?
Pardon? I couldn't hear you properly.
No, sorry, I think you just broke up there. Sorry, can you repeat it again?
Yeah, I have a nose ring, and I took my nose ring out, and I put a lock through it, and now I can't get it out.
And you can't get the lock out?
No, I can't.
What sort of lock is it?
Do you know, like, the UV, like, the U-shape ones? No, the ones that it's just a key turn, but the key snaps inside of it?
Inside?
Like, inside the actual lock, and now I can't turn it over.
Right, okay. And what's on your nose?
Yeah, and it's really heavy.
Right, okay. Whereabouts you based?
I am in Liverpool.
In Liverpool?
Yeah.
Right, because we're based in London.
Oh, well, can you not send someone down, or...?
So, what's that?
Can you not send someone down?
What, from London to Liverpool?
Yeah, it's not that far.
Liverpool, as in the north of England?
No, as in Liverpool Road.
I'm sorry, I thought you said Liverpool, as in Liverpool. All right, Liverpool Road. All right, okay.
Can you not
yeah,
laugh? It really hurts.
No, sorry. When you said Liverpool, I thought you meant Liverpool, as in, up the M6. Okay. I wouldn't be able to get to yourself until later on this evening. We could certainly, and then see if we could extract it for you then. You're looking £75 plus VAT.
Holy crap. That's a lot. Do you not have any, like, bolt cutters or anything that you just use, though?
Yeah, I mean, I'll be honest with you, this is quite unorthodox. I've never done something like this before.
Alright, so it's like a first time thing.
Sorry?
Is this like a first time thing?
I didn't hear a word you said there.
Is this like a first time thing?
Yeah.
Well, it's starting to sting, so...
Okay.
It's like the time I put around my knob, but I got that one off.
Right. Okay. Alright. I like I said, I wouldn't be able to get down there until later on tonight, but you might want to ring about.
Okay, I'll go to the fire station.
Alright, cheers.
Alright, cheers.
All
Bye.
right, bye.